Hello, mommies! It's back to school season again. Earlier, I booked a Lalamove rider to pick up my son's books from the CFAH office in Cubao. So, they also sent his medal, report card, and certificate from last school year. So, kami rin yung nagbibigay ng grades sa kanila. Kami rin ang nag-a-administer ng mga exams. Kaya last year, meron siyang medal sa akin at mataas naman ang grades niya. Just so you know, our homeschool provider and our curriculum are both accredited by DepEd. Ayun, pinadala rin pala nila yung ID niya. Yung ID niya, kami lang yung nagbibigay ng picture and then si admin ipapadala na rin yun sa amin kasama nitong mga books. So here are his books now. For us, homeschooling is easy and convenient, especially for our child. I don't have to wake him up early just to get ready and go to school. We also have full control of our time here. We started homeschooling just last year and natuwa kami sa result kaya nag-homeschool ulit kami this school year. At first, I didn't know how to start or how homeschooling works. But with the help of our coaches and the provided guidelines, it turned out to be manageable. Napakadali lang. For those who are curious about how we study, magpo-post kami ng mga videos ni Marco sa mga susunod na araw. Kaya stay tuned for our upcoming vlogs. Thank you!